Number 1. 1956 Harley-Davidson ST165, $5,500, Watertown, Wisconsin. This 1956 Harley-Davidson ST165, often known as the Harley Hummer, stands out with its original orange paint and a high level of authenticity. Much of the bike remains original, including the hand grips, cables, and rubber seat, preserving its vintage character. The engine has been rebuilt and the bike has been gone through, making it a strong running example of a classic lightweight Harley. Only a few components such as the wiring harness and tires have been replaced, helping maintain its originality while keeping it road-ready. With a clean title and everything reported to be in working order, this Hummer offers a rare opportunity to own a well-preserved piece of Harley-Davidson history that is both collectible and rideable. Number 2. 1985 Honda Rebel 250, $1,800, Macomb, Michigan. This 1985 Honda Rebel 250 is a clean and well-kept example of Honda's early entry-level cruiser, finished in black and known for its reliability. With low miles and garage-kept condition, it has been maintained as a collector-friendly bike while still being practical for everyday riding. A brand new battery has recently been installed, adding to its ready-to-ride appeal. As one of the early Rebel models, it represents an important part of Honda's lightweight cruiser history in the U.S. market. Its simple design, manageable size, and dependable performance make it a great option for beginners or collectors looking for an affordable vintage motorcycle with lasting appeal. Number 3. 1965 BSA A65 Star, $3,000, Robbins, North Carolina. This 1965 BSA A65 Star is an all-original example finished in blue, featuring its original paint and single carb setup. With around 37,000 miles, it has been a running bike in the past and was reportedly performing well before being stored for the last 3 years. Its originality makes it especially appealing to collectors looking for an untouched vintage British motorcycle. While it currently needs a carburetor cleaning and a new battery to return to running condition, it presents a straightforward and manageable project. With a clean title and its rare original state, this A65 Star offers strong potential as a classic restoration or preservation piece. Number 4. 1972 Suzuki TTS250, $2,500, Pleasant Plain, Ohio. This 1972 Suzuki TTS250 is described as being in excellent condition with only around 3,000 original miles, making it a standout vintage example. The bike is said to run and ride great with no known issues, offering a smooth and enjoyable riding experience. Its well-preserved state adds to its appeal for both collectors and casual riders. With its clean presentation and low mileage, this Suzuki represents a simple and reliable classic motorcycle from the early 1970s. It's an ideal option for someone looking for a vintage bike that can be enjoyed immediately without the need for restoration or major mechanical work. Number 5. 1971 Triumph Bonneville, $2,200, Lawrence, Kansas. This 1971 Triumph Bonneville 650 is a rare and mostly complete project featuring a one-year-only paint scheme, making it especially interesting for collectors. The bike has already received several important updates, including rebuilt carburetors, new fuel system components, a new battery, clutch pack, and upgraded electrical parts, helping move it closer to road-ready condition. Although it has been run and ridden, it still requires a few finishing touches, such as new tires and minor ignition work. With many new parts already installed and its rare original configuration, this Bonneville offers a great opportunity to complete a desirable vintage British motorcycle project. Number 6. 1983 Kawasaki KZ, $2,500, Wabash, Indiana. This 1983 Kawasaki KZ is a solid-running vintage motorcycle powered by a reliable inline-4 engine known for its durability and ease of maintenance. With just over 10,800 miles, it has relatively low usage for its age and is described as starting, running, and riding well. The standout lime green tank gives it a distinctive and classic 1980s look. Overall condition is good, with the seat and chrome holding up nicely, making it an enjoyable bike as is. Whether kept as a rider or used as a base for a custom project, this KZ offers a dependable and affordable entry into vintage Japanese motorcycles. Number 7. 1965 BMW R60/2, $4,000, Baltimore, Ohio. This 1965 BMW R60/2 is a classic German touring motorcycle offered as a complete project with all parts included. The bike was ridden for several years before developing an engine knock, after which it was carefully disassembled in preparation for a rebuild. All components have been labeled and preserved, making reassembly more manageable for the next owner. With a clean title and everything needed to complete the project, this R60/2 presents a great opportunity for enthusiasts familiar with vintage BMW machines. Once restored, it has strong potential as a reliable and highly collectible classic, known for its smooth ride and timeless design. Number 8. 1975 Yamaha RS100, $1,200, Wellington, Ohio. This 1975 Yamaha RS100 is a lightweight two-stroke vintage motorcycle featuring torque induction and an oil injection system. It has received several recent updates, including a new OEM piston and rings, fresh tires and tubes, cleaned fuel system, and new steering head bearings. Additional work includes a new kick shaft and starter, addressing previous starting issues. The bike starts and runs well, making it a fun and simple machine for casual riding or vintage events. While it does not have a title and may need some attention to lighting, it remains a charming and affordable classic with strong character and usability. Number 9. 1988 Vespa PK50 XL, $3,000, Lake Villa, Illinois. This 1988 Vespa PK50 XL is a well-preserved, all-original scooter with only around 1,950 miles, making it a rare find in such condition. It has been brought back to running order with a new battery and is described as running great. After being stored for many years, it was briefly ridden before being kept covered, helping maintain its original state. With its classic Italian styling and compact design, this Vespa offers a fun and practical vintage riding experience. Its originality and low mileage make it appealing for collectors or anyone looking for a unique and easy-to-enjoy classic scooter. Number 10. 1982 Suzuki GS450, $2,500, Worthington, Iowa. This 1982 Suzuki GS450 is a well-maintained vintage motorcycle that has received extensive recent service, making it fully ready for the road. Updates include new tires, spark plugs, air filter, battery, cables, and a rebuilt front suspension. The carburetors have been ultrasonically cleaned and rebuilt, and the bike also features a new chain and fresh oil. With a 6-speed transmission and a gear indicator on the dash, it offers a user-friendly riding experience. Combined with a clean title and strong running condition, this GS450 is a reliable and practical choice for anyone looking to enjoy a classic motorcycle without needing additional work. Number 11. 1964 Triumph Bonneville 650cc, $5,800, Bunker Hill, West Virginia. This 1964 Triumph Bonneville 650cc is a beautifully refreshed classic featuring a strong list of recent upgrades. The bike has received a new top end, clutch, exhaust, battery, and tires, along with an electronic ignition for improved reliability. It retains original Dunlop rims, preserving its vintage character while benefiting from modern updates. The bike is described as starting easily and shifting well, making it both a collectible and a usable vintage machine. With a clean title and its well-sorted condition, this Bonneville stands out as a solid example of a classic British twin, ready for the road. Number 12. 1980 Yamaha XS 1100 Special, $2,000, Menominee, Michigan. This 1980 Yamaha XS 1100 Special is known as one of the original muscle bikes, powered by a 1,101cc inline-4 engine, delivering strong performance. With around 23,600 miles, it remains a powerful and capable vintage machine, featuring shaft drive and classic cruiser styling that made it a standout in its era. The bike is described as ready to ride and offers impressive torque along with a commanding road presence. For its price, it presents a great opportunity to own a high-displacement vintage Japanese motorcycle with both performance history and everyday usability. Number 13. 1968 Vespa Sprint Scooter, $3,700, Columbia Station, Ohio. This 1968 Vespa Sprint scooter stands out with its unique copper finish, tan seats, and matching spare tire cover, giving it strong vintage Italian character. The scooter shows relatively low kilometers and includes original details like white-walled tires and a manual, adding to its collector appeal. As a barn find, the engine turns over but has not been started, and it currently has no keys. While it will require some work to bring back to running condition, it offers a great restoration opportunity for those looking to revive a stylish and classic Vespa. Number 14. 1971 Honda CB750 K1, $4,500, Jackson, Tennessee. This 1971 Honda CB750 K1 is a well-known classic that helped define the modern superbike era, finished in green and described as a strong runner. It starts and rides well, making it a ready-to-enjoy vintage motorcycle with a solid reputation for performance and reliability. With a title in hand and a clean overall presentation, it offers a straightforward ownership experience. The CB750 platform remains highly respected among enthusiasts, making this bike a great option for both collectors and riders alike. Number 15. 1974 Harley-Davidson Z90, $4,200, Medina, Ohio. This 1974 Harley-Davidson Z90 is a mostly original small displacement classic, retaining its factory character with only minor replacements such as the petcock and mirrors. It includes the original owner's manual, adding to its authenticity and collector appeal. The bike shows some light rust and patina, consistent with its age. It is described as a good running bike but currently needs a battery to be fully operational. With its originality and compact design, this Z90 offers a unique and nostalgic piece of Harley-Davidson history, ideal for collectors or enthusiasts looking for something different. Thanks for watching Moto Market Explorer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check back daily for more classic motorcycle deals across the United States.